Love is powerful, but love alone has never been enough to keep a man emotionally connected. You can love him deeply, support him endlessly, stay loyal, patient, forgiving, and still watch him slowly pull away, not because he stopped caring, but because something deeper went unmet. Most women are taught that if they love harder, communicate better, or give more affection, everything will work out. But men do not emotionally bond the same way women do, and this misunderstanding quietly destroys many relationships. Today, I want to show you the 3 emotional needs that are stronger than love for men. These needs operate beneath words, beneath romance, beneath attraction, and when they are unmet, love slowly fades, even when both people want it to work. Once you understand these 3 needs, you will stop taking his distance personally, you will stop guessing what went wrong, and you will start seeing men clearly, not emotionally, but psychologically. Let's begin with the first need, which is often misunderstood. The first emotional need is respect that feels earned, not automatic. A man can love you deeply, but if he does not feel respected by you, that love slowly decays, and this is not about politeness, basic kindness, or saying nice things occasionally. This is deeper. Men tie their self-worth to how capable they feel in the eyes of the woman they love. When he feels you trust his judgment, believe in his abilities, and see him as someone competent, something inside him relaxes. But when he feels constantly corrected, second-guessed, or subtly talked down to, even with good intentions, his nervous system goes into defense mode. You may think you are helping, guiding, or being honest, but what he feels is, she does not believe in me. Over time, that feeling becomes emotional distance. This is why a man can tolerate stress at work, pressure from the world, and criticism from others. But when it comes from his partner, it cuts deeper, because this is the place where he wants to feel strongest. Respect does not mean silence, and it does not mean agreeing with everything he says. It means acknowledging his intent, his effort, and his perspective, even when you disagree. When a man feels respected after being seen fully, flaws and all, that respect feels earned. And earned respect creates emotional loyalty. But respect alone is not enough, because the second emotional need goes even deeper. The second emotional need is the freedom to feel like a hero. This is not about ego dominance or control. It is about meaning. Men are wired to feel purpose through contribution, through being useful, through knowing that their presence makes a real difference. When a man feels like he can positively impact your life, protect your emotional space, or support you in moments that matter, his attachment deepens naturally. This does not mean you must be helpless. It means allowing him to matter. Small moments trigger this instinct, asking for his help, valuing his input, appreciating his effort, letting him show up instead of doing everything alone. When you say things like, "I feel safer when you are here," or "I trust you with this," or "I appreciate how you handle that," something powerful happens internally. His body responds before his mind does. But when a man feels unnecessary, unneeded, or easily replaceable, he emotionally withdraws. Even if the love is still there, a man who does not feel needed will slowly stop trying. The hero instinct is not about superiority. It is about significance. When he feels significant in your world, his commitment grows. And now we come to the third emotional need, the one most men never talk about, and most women never see. The third emotional need is emotional safety without judgment. From a young age, many men are taught to suppress fear, sadness, and vulnerability. They learn that emotional expression equals weakness, so they build emotional armor, jokes, silence, distraction, distance. But underneath that armor is a human being who is exhausted from holding everything together. Men crave emotional safety more than they admit, a space where they can lower their guard without being judged, mocked, or corrected. Emotional safety means he can express confusion without being labeled incompetent, sadness without being labeled weak, fear without being dismissed. It means listening without immediately fixing, holding space without minimizing, allowing silence without pressure. When a man feels emotionally safe with you, something rare happens. His nervous system associates you with peace. This creates a deeper bond than attraction or passion ever could. Research shows that men experience stronger bonding hormones during emotionally safe interactions than even physical intimacy. That means what truly connects him to you is not how you look, but how safe he feels being emotionally exposed. When a man feels emotionally safe, he shows up stronger, more present, more protective, and more committed. Love transforms into loyalty. So why do so many relationships fail even when love is present? Because most people give love the way they want to receive it. Women often give affection, reassurance, and emotional closeness, expecting the same needs in return, but men bond through respect, significance, and emotional safety. When these needs are unmet, love struggles to survive. The woman who understands these three needs stands out, not because she tries harder, but because she connects deeper. She speaks directly to a man's emotional core, and that makes her unforgettable. So if you ever wondered why love was not enough, now you know. The three emotional needs stronger than love for men are respect that feels earned, the freedom to feel like a hero, and emotional safety without judgment. Master these, and he will not just love you, he will feel at home with you. If this changed the way you see men, subscribe and tell me in the comments which of these surprised you the most.